Have you ever wondered how you could make money online while still working a full-time job? Well, you're in luck. Hello and welcome. Making money online is an exciting opportunity for anyone with an internet connection. In this video, we will discuss 4 ways that people can make money online while working a full-time job. Start an online business. An online business is a type of business that operates on the internet and is used to sell products or services. Setting up an online business can be relatively easy, as long as you have the right tools and knowledge. First, you need to choose a platform to host your website. Popular choices include WordPress and Shopify. Once you have established your website, you will need to decide what products or services you want to offer. You will also need to come up with a payment system so customers can purchase your goods and services. Figure out your online business niche. Before you begin, ask yourself what you're passionate about and how you can use that to generate revenue. To narrow down your focus, ask yourself who you are targeting and what their needs are. Consider researching the current trends in the industry and think about how you can use them to your advantage. Once you have identified your niche, create an effective marketing plan to reach your target audience. With the right approach, you can successfully figure out your online business niche and achieve success. Create a blog. Creating a blog can be an incredibly rewarding experience. It's a great way to express yourself and share your opinions with the world. Setting up a blog is easy and straightforward, so don't let the process intimidate you. First, you'll need to choose a platform for your blog. Popular options include WordPress, Blogger, and Squarespace. Once you've chosen a platform, you'll need to register a domain name for your blog and set up hosting. When it comes to content, there are many types of blogs you can create, such as personal, professional, photography, travel, business, and more. Monetizing your blog is essential. You can do it with affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or by creating your own content. Make money with social media. Making money with social media is easier than you think. All it takes is a little creativity, an understanding of your target audience, and a willingness to put in the work. With the right strategy, you can start earning an income through social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. To get started, begin by creating content that resonates with your target audience. Write posts that provide value to your followers and share interesting stories, tips, and advice. Additionally, use relevant hashtags to increase visibility and reach more potential customers. You can also promote products or services that are related to your niche, or affiliate links to products that your followers may be interested in. Making money online while working a full-time job can be challenging, but with these 4 methods, you can make it happen. Remember to stay dedicated and persistent, and you can achieve your financial goals in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content.